Today I'm reviewing the factory magnetized version Yuxin Little Magic. The Yuxin Little Magic M has a glossy surface along with a full bright color scheme. The turning of the Little Magic M is hollow, smooth and quick. It also feels dry even after lubricating. The magnet strength of the cube is medium. Regular corner cutting is past 45 degrees, maybe slightly more, and the reverse cuts are up to standards. Next, we can see that the piece design is exactly same as the previous non-magneted Little Magic. However, the feeling of the old Little Magic is, in my opinion, better than the new one. It feels more solid and has a nice papery, smooth turning. Overall, I don't really like the new Little Magic M, and I definitely would not recommend getting this unless you have tried it and liked it. If you are in a budget and want to get a good cube, I recommend getting the RS3M 2020. The RS3M has adjustable features and the performance is far better than the Little Magic. And it's also very cheap. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and comment down below on anything that I need to improve in my future videos. So, bye!